Okay, let's try this practice control test, and we're given a function. It's minus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 4. Hey, that's x times x squared. That looks like a quadratic. That must be a parabola. The first question's pretty darn easy. It says determine the y-intercept, and all you have to do is let x equal 0. That's going to be minus 2 times minus 8, 2 times minus 4. That's just going to be 16. Negative times negative, negative 2 times negative 8 is just 0 and 16. Write down the x-intercepts of f. Well, if you know this is intercept form, it's just the opposite of these numbers. Minus 2 will make y 0, and 4 will y 0. So you're given the x-intercepts. That's intercept form of a parabola. Boy, that's pretty easy. The coordinates of the turning point. Now, I like to, rather than multiplying this out and using minus b over 2a, just use the idea of symmetry, that the axis of symmetry is in between minus 2 and 4. So you just go minus 2 plus 4 divided by 2, you get x equals 1. We've got the axis of symmetry, and the turning point sits right on that axis of symmetry. So all we do is take 1 and put it back in here. 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 4, that's going to be minus 9 times minus 2, that's positive 18. And then all you do is go and sketch this. This is an unhappy parabola. It's got that y-intercept, these x-intercepts, and that turning point. So if you sketch it, it's going to look like this. Minus 2, there's your x and y axis. It turns right at 1 and 18. And there's the function f, all done. Now the next question is, on the same set of graphs, sketch minus 4x plus 16. So you let x equal 0, well, that goes through 16. If you let y equal 0, then you add 4x, divide by 4, x is going to equal 4. So just let x equal 0, you get 16. Let y equal 0 and solve, and you'll get 4. Connect those points, and you've just sketched g of x, which is minus 4x plus 16. They say on the same graph. Well, there we go. That's it. That's 3 marks. Wow. So that's a lot of marks there. Now, where does f equal g? Well, we should find the values of x where f equals g. Well, if you can just remember this, all you do is take the function f and make it equal g. That's what I did. There's g. I make it equal f. Then I multiply it out. You'll get x squared minus 2x minus 8 here. Multiply that minus 2 times everything, you get minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. Plus 16 on both sides. Just subtract, that goes away. Add 2x squared, take away 4x. That, divide everything by 2, then factor out the x. I'm looking at my two answers, x equals 0 or x equals 4. And there you go, all done.